Mars, the god of warmth, visited Rhea Silvia in the temple. The two fell in love several months later. Rhea Silvia gave birth to twin boys. When Amyles heard the news, he was very mad. He did not like the surprise, so he put the twins in a basket and threw it in the Tiber River. Amyles thought he had everything taken care of this time, but the twins did not die. The current watched the basket ashore once it reached dry land. A female wolf came and found them.
Where are we?
I don't know, bro. We are lost.
What do we do now?
I don't know, but I'm sure I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm so hungry, I could die.
I wish there was someone here to take care of us.
I would like to eat a big hamburger and chocolate milkshake.
The female wolf came and heard some little voices and said,
"Oh my God, that is something. What is it?"
The female wolf walked to the bank of the river and saw a basket coming towards her and said,
"I think the voices are coming from the basket. I need to help them."
The brother says,
Don't get closer. She might eat you.
Don't be scared of me. I am not going to do nothing bad to you guys. I'm going to save you.
Okay, but we are hungry. Can you help us to get something to eat?
Yes, I can nurture you guys with my own milk.
What? A milkshake?
No, regular milk.
The female wolf helped them grow and be strong enough to protect themselves. Remulus and Remus went on to build the city of Rome.